Hey guys, this is Suman, your own tarot card reader. I welcome you to Tarot Fragrance Suman. So today I'm going to be taking reading for Earth sign people, that is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So let us find out what is that these guys they have in store for them. You know, when it comes to their love and relationship, their career and finances, and also advice from the universe for the coming days in the month of August. Okay, so let us call upon all the angels from the universe to help us out with the reading. Guys, whoever is there in your mind, you can take the name of that person and enjoy the reading. So the first card is Knight of Wands. Second card is Page of Cups. Third card is the Strength. Fourth card is Four of Pentacles. And the advice card is King of Pentacles. The first two cards are for your love and relationship. The second two cards are for your career and finances. And the last card is for your advice from the universe. And the bottom of the deck is Two of Cups. Wonderful cards. So with Page of Wands and with Page of Cups and Knight of Wands, I can see that you guys are having a gala time together. Your relationship with your partner is going to be extremely passionate, but this relationship is something wherein there's no such commitment kind of a thing happening. It's like on and off kind of a relationship you have. At the same time, there is not much of maturity involved in the relationship when it comes to giving commitment to each other. So your partner comes into your life as and when he or she feels like coming into your life. This is what the cards are telling. So here there is less of commitment and only on the basis of convenience that this relationship is happening between the two of you. This is what I feel. With Strength card and Four of Pentacles, I feel that you guys had a lot of a problem in your career or in your business in the past, and you have learned a lot from your experiences in the past. You have learned how to be calm and composed, and how to control over your emotions and control over your uh, failures if you had any. So you know how to tackle with that. This is what you learned in the past. And for your career and finances, yes, currently if you have to invest in any of your business or something, then you're thinking 100 times on that, whether to invest in that business or not, business or what. This is what you're thinking. So you this business requires a lot of amount to be invested, but you are bit hesitant to invest that big an amount into your business. This is what you're thinking. At the same time, you're very passionate about your business, I believe. Anyhow, even if this business is not running, this business may not be doing going that smoothly for you, but still you don't want to give up on this business. You just want this business to continue. And if you guys are into job or something, if you're working somewhere, again same kind of a scenario for you. You're facing the same kind of a problem in your job, but you somehow want to retain the same job. You don't want to quit the job, or you don't want to, you just want to compromise into the situation you are into, and you want to just continue with your job. This is what I feel. And for that, you're putting in a lot of effort also to see that if there is any such problem happening in the job, you have decided to compromise with your job, decided to give your best in the job, decided to be calm and composed when it comes to dealing with your colleagues or dealing with your subordinates or dealing with your superiors for that matter. And the advice card is King of Pentacles. So the universe is telling you, yes, you guys have invested a lot of time in building your career, a lot of time in improving your career, a lot of time in making your relationship work for you. This is what you did. I want a clarification card for this. Eight of Cups. So yes, the universe is telling you that you invested a lot of time in, making your pentacles strong, making your finances strong and all, and you were not concentrating on your emotions, your emotional and personal life, your relationship with your partner. You were not concentrating on those things. You were more on, improving your finances and all that. So the universe is telling you to not be that workaholic all the time and concentrate only on building your finances, improving your finances. You need to take a break. You need to have those fun and light moments also with your partner, so that there's some kind of a stability happening in your relationship also. Because see, with this card I can feel that your partner is not at all serious with you. He is like, this can also be a relationship with benefit. So I don't know what kind of a benefit are you getting from your partner, but this is relationship with benefit. With this I can see, with Two of Cups and this relationship with benefit. Okay, so yeah, the universe is telling you that you need to speak to your partner and you need to tell your partner that you are serious about the relationship. You want seriousness in the relationship, and you want that equal give and take in the relationship, and you miss your person. You want your person to be spending at least some little time with you with seriousness. Okay, so you are missing that seriousness in the relationship. So you can talk to your partner openly about it and sort out things between the two of you. So with this I end the reading for you, and I'll pray to God that your partner understands your problem and he becomes a little more serious about it, because he's very casual with the relationship, very very casual. And if you are also of equal state of mind wherein you just want fun and nothing serious, then it's okay for both of you. But then if you're really serious about it, then things are going to be very difficult for you, because this person is somebody who has wandering eyes, I would say. This person has got wandering eyes. So he's like looking for Meena, Tina, Sheena, everybody at the same time. So the moment he gets somebody better than you, he will leave you and go. So guys, I'm not here to demotivate you, but then yes, there are red flags and you have to be very careful with your relationship with your partner. Okay, so with this I end the reading for you, and hope to see you in the next video for the next sign. Till then, please do take good care of yourself. And thank you guys. Yes, thank you all those people who have already subscribed to my channel, liking my channel, sharing my videos, putting all those lovely comments which encourage me so much, which motivate me so much. And I love all your comments. They're so beautiful, so genuine. Keep commenting, guys. And yes, all those people who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Give me that little happiness. I will definitely feel very obliged to you. Thank you so much. Till we meet next. Bye guys.